President's new executive action on travel has been stayed by the courts again. Byron Henry is here. He's an attorney focusing on appellate law. Okay. The Trump team made changes to the executive order. And again, the courts didn't look at the law. They just went by their feelings and emotions, and they pretended what the law was. Am I wrong or right, Byron?
Based on the opinion that I've read and most of the precedent that applies, it looks to me like this is a knee-jerk reaction by a judge who just doesn't like the president's policies and isn't willing to take the president's word and defer to him on whether or not this is necessary to keep the country safe, which is, of course, not a federal judge's job. It's the president's job to do that, and Congress has delegated it and made it so, and so is the Constitution. So this is, if the first opinion by the Ninth Circuit on the first executive order was a stretch or a bridge too far, I mean, this opinion here on the way this court ruled is just overreach is an understatement, as President Trump put it in his remarks.
Okay, have you heard the allegation that President Obama visited this judge 48 hours before the ruling, and also this judge went to the same college and then graduated the same year as President Obama?
I have not heard those allegations, but it wouldn't surprise me that President Obama shares the same ideology and the same viewpoints about politics, immigration, and President Trump. This is a President Obama appointee to the district bench. But I can only say that we are entering a very dangerous spot for conservatives or progressives, in which federal judges, whether they be conservative or liberal, begin second-guessing the reasons behind presidents' actions with respect to foreign affairs and national security. And it's a very dangerous road to take, regardless of whether you're a Republican or a Democrat or whether you're liberal or conservative, because that's not the way our system is set up. No. And the next thing you know, we're going to have an organization trying to get an injunction stopping the president from allowing certain leaders to visit, or issuing drone strikes against predominantly Muslim countries, because that constitutes religious discrimination. It's a very slippery slope.
Yeah, I think the Democrat Party has really overstepped its reach here in trying to stop President Obama. I really do. You agree?
Yeah, I think that they've gone. Yeah, I think that they've just gone a little bit too far. Where keeping a president in check as a conservative, the courts are there to keep all presidents in check. When President Obama was within his authority, my view was you need to use elections to fix it. When he was outside of his authority, clearly outside of his authority, even giving him deference, like in a couple of the actions his administration took, the courts were there to step in. So I believe in a strong court system for the separation of powers. But this is a clear case, and the president says that this is an area that Congress and the president almost have plenary authority.
All right.
Basically, they almost have plenary authority. So that the court should respect that.
All right. Byron Henry, give me a website you'd like people to go to.
I'm the law firm of Scheef and Stone, and you can find us at solidcounsel.com.
All right. Thank you so much for being here on Trending Today USA. I appreciate it.